Myself A K Bilakhia, delivering lecture on Simulate PLC program for level control for Diploma in Instrumentation and Control 4th semester students. I am very thankful to IIT Bombay for providing me an opportunity to create a video on this topic. I am also thankful to Screencast for providing a wonderful platform to create videos for open source. And this is the reference for previous lecture. In previous lecture we did how PLC works for level control of the tank. For our session, in this session our objective is to open PLC simulator, then we configure PLC simulator, then create a project, then we establish our already designed ladder logic and establish into PLC simulator, as well as we compile that ladder logic and simulate our ladder logic. So this was the issue in previous lecture, how we work with this. This is the tank. In this tank, liquid is consumed randomly and it is necessary to refill the tank continuously. So for this we used 2 level switches to sense low as well as high level. Whenever it reaches to low level, it starts the pump, and whenever high level is achieved, it stops the pump. This process is controlled by PLC. This one. This was the logic for the PLC. This is the ladder logic we already discussed in previous lecture. This is for lower limit switch, this is for higher limit switch. This is latching of the relay, whether we say this as coiled relay, and this is the either solenoid or motor. So this can be loaded into PLC simulator. Now to open the simulator, we can install free available PLC softwares or PLC simulators from the internet and install these simulators on your PC. This is the WPL soft simulator for Delta PLC. The version is 2.38. By clicking on this icon, the simulator will be available on your screen. This is your title bar, which shows the name of the project. This is your menu bar. Okay. By moving pointer onto the menu bar, and if you press right click, which bar if you want to activate, you may activate the bars. So this is common bar, this is common bar, this is WPL bar. By activating ladder toolbar, all the ladder components will be available on the screen. And this is debug bar, this one, right from here to here. And this is SFC toolbar. Okay, we will discuss these toolbars in next session. Right now we only talk about this file, regarding file, then compile, and then this ladder toolbar as well as WPL toolbar. So whenever you start a new project, you go to file and press new, then it asks for which program you want to write a program. So here we are giving a name as program, level controller. Here you select SV2 for the simulation. Here we give file name as program 1. There may be so many number of programs under the project. So after clicking this and saving this, you may save first as program. Okay. Ladder editor as well as instruction set editor will be open. If you write ladder editor, then automatically STL will be generated. So for ladder editor, normally we use ladder editor. Now we choose the component from ladder toolbar. I choose the normally open contact for lower level switch. In this simulator, X is the notation for input and Y is the notation for output. Here we are only discussing about input and output. Afterwards, we will discuss M, S, T and C. What are there? We will discuss in next session. So I give this an X and the address is you may write from 0 to 377 addresses to input bar. So you also write a comment on this area. So this is X0. Same way I select normally close contact for higher level and latching relay for this. This is the output. So this is addressed as Y0. Now we want to make a connection for Y0 as latching relay. So I select Y0 as it is and I make it in branching operation. So this is the branch. Now I want to deliver this output to either solenoid or motor which will be operated. So this is your Y0 and the output is Y1. Now this is your complete ladder logic. Now we are going to compile this ladder logic. So after compilation, it gives the line as end of the program. Now activate WPL software by clicking this simulator. So simulator mode is now on. You make PLC in online mode. So program will be transferred to PLC virtually. Then you run your PLC by clicking this icon. If you give yes, this is in run mode. There is no output because it is tank is full. Now suppose tank is empty. By changing the status of X0, the lower level switch will be activated and it will give output. By activating higher level switch, it will stop the motor. So this is the simulation of the program. It shows the different conditions and different situations for the activation and deactivation of the motor. Now these are the questions for the session. You load ladder logic into simulator, compile ladder logic and observe responses for different situations for filling overhead tank from underground tank. Thank you.